So before the video starts, guys, thanks for 19 subscribers, appreciate that a lot. And so the video starts.
Would you be the preacher? Would you be my It's the done? I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit it.
Hey guys, my name is MC Arts and welcome to my channel. And I have little informations for you guys. I have unlocked All Service for PS3. So the prices are on the screen now. You can see the prices. And the prices is also in the description below. Check them out if you want the unlock all account or GTA money drop, or I don't know what you want. Just type me a message on, I don't know, a private message or under the comments, I don't know. And yes guys, that was it. Thanks for everything you done on my channel. Appreciate that a lot, and I'm out, guys.